Welcome to our Game 3 of our Mayor's Cup 2025 of our 15 under category. The battle between Barangay Puntasalong versus Barangay Purisima. Again, 15 under category. Game 3 of our finals.
Team Barry versus Team JBR. JBR ni Barry din.
Team Barry versus Team JBR.
Mga ngalan, nakadaw kagawad na.
Imul na! Usikan na!
Okay, first five.
Sadya mo tayo sumagot ako atin pag tayo. Lumpat na lang!
Para pa yung tapos nagdaan, paubra mo daw.
Lumpat isa lang kasala. Iya, ito yung magpapa.
The first five.
Ay, tiga.
Nang every quarter isa lang. Isa din yung normal tayo.
Likod.
Wala yan, naligay ba? Ba na ulang ba? Sarap na? Arjo, Berto?
Okay, go!
Sulsil po ko sa sulsil. Oh? Ngayon nga, may rapos na pang ano, boss? Tumitan ta?
Ay, di po ka. Ano nga yun?
Do or die game between Team JBR versus Team Barry. Jump ball. There is number 7. Passing jersey number 29. Number 16 fires. No good rebound. Out of bounds.
Emiles po, so. Emiles.
16.
O, Emiles.
May nga po sa first game na subong door die game. Game 3 sa 15 under category. Team Barry versus Team JBR.
Short rebound. Team Barry. Monitor number 6. Pass to number 28. Number 7, Tito Sadas for 2 points. Four minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Number 13, shot clock 10 seconds. Labaw.
Nagpasan, no?
There's number 6 for the steal. 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. So good. Rebound. Keep Barry. Jersey number 29 lays it up. 2 points. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 2-all. Here's number 6, Abanales. 8 seconds. Violation. Shot clock 12 seconds. 10 to number 7. Short. Rebound jersey number 16. Can to shoot. 2 points from jersey number 13. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Another steal. Out of bounds.
Anong city? Anong bilo?
Nang Bordelec.
Bordelec.
Patayo. Patayo. Pitayo na.
Hold on.
3-15. Dia patay yun. 3-15. Dia patay.
Masuk lang. Bayan ka lang si Jason.
May pagkuhan yung antena ka, no? Hindi ang naka-scoreboard yung antena.
Dalang. 3 pila to.
Para!
3 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 16, Jimenez. Pass to jersey number 7. To number 29. Shot clock 8 seconds.
Wala ka lakad. Ang time po. Wala kang mukyo. Kapilit tol. Kapilit. Kapilit ang time daw. Ang time. Yeah, wala pindot. Gabulos pulos. Kaya pindot.
Parang naglaga na.
Ito pa nga. Bunuguray. Ito pa nga mo. So, ano rin yun? Lang.
Play stop.
Pinti na to. Hindi na nakalakat.
Hey, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Our score, JDR 2. Gary 4. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Gusto mo gawin ulit?
Shot clock 10. Number 13, Alazot. 2 points.
Kabile. Oh. Kabay.
Jersey number 17. Baseline, 2 points. Two minutes and 38 seconds. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 7. We're downtown, no good. Foul committed by jersey number 9, Lee Boy. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Jersey number 17, Gonzalez, lumaton, nabuyan ako, number 29, gibagan. Number 29, nagputo, tinatagay Jimenez, Kumaboy, for 3 points. Jimenez, jersey number 16. Out of bounds. 2 minutes, 6 seconds remaining. Shot clock 18 seconds. Lumaton for the inbound. Pass to jersey number 28 to number 17, Rosales. A steal from behind from jersey number 29, Osvaldo. Jimenez. Number 9, Limboy, no good. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 13, inatagay Limboy, inatagay Sakay. Orgelek, no good. Ibaw kay Jimenez. Shot clock 12 seconds. Osvaldo, no good. Rebound, jersey number 3. Napuyan! Dapat number 29. Inatagay Jimenez. Osvaldo, 10 to shoot. Number 13, Jimenez. In and out. Pull back by Limboy for 2 points. Under steal, Jimenez. Too strong. Number 29, Osvaldo. Box number 13 to Bordelek. Jersey number 3 points. Timeout taken by Team JDR. Remaining time, 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Charge ko lang. Hindi ba kabutang? Kasulig ka sa uno ka.
Dapat ka rin ka, no?
Gapat lang ko lang. Try tapik sa...
Our score, Team JDR 4. Team Gary
Sa may ginagawa.
May ibang ba?
Ibang goal dapat. Mali bago.
In 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Ari bago. Mas umayag na.
Umayag na daw. Hindi pa ako.
Number 30, passing jersey number 17, Rosales. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Jersey number 17. To number 10. 15 seconds to shoot. 12. Again, wide. Jump ball, save ball.
Kung ganda lumid.
52 seconds remaining. 52 segundos. Shot clock, 11 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot. Wala pa, tapos sa rin mula. Warning jersey number 13 for delaying the game. Number 6 for three, no good. Rebound by Jimenez. Steal by number 10. Number 10, Hude by number 29. Number 16, Jimenez. Okay, number, no good. Rebound by Castaño, no good. Naka Jimenez. Shot clock 10 seconds. Jimenez, free throw jumper for 2 points. Jersey number 16, Jimenez. 20 seconds remaining. Abanales has it move and a foul. Basket counts. Foul on jersey number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Size.
18 seconds remaining. Rebound, number 17, Rosales. No good. 10 seconds. 5. Number 13. 2 points. Perez, and end of our first set. Score is 18-6 in favor of Team Barry. Second set.
Score 6-18 nabansi ang Team Barry.
5, 17, 2, 3, okay, go.
Ari ba kaniyo? Masyo, may ba tatangin ba kan?
Butang lang raan. May mabidi ako.
Start of our second set. Jersey number 2 passing jersey number 8, Banuga. Jersey number 2, 18 to shoot. Out of bounds, shot clock 15 seconds. To shoot. Number 17, Camilon, Aguila Cruz. Gonna break Banuga, out of bounds.
Otot mo kila ko sila jam.
So, 17, kagmino.
Mangodi ang isang number 0.
4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Santillan, jersey number 20, Nabuya. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. Number 24. To number 8, Banuga, short. Rebound Santillan. Pass break pass to Tonguines. Tonguines, 2 points. Jersey number 12 of Team JDR. Rebound. Mahusay. Pass sa Santillan. Santillan. Binibes. Santillan with a Euro step. There's a foul on jersey number 2. First personal foul on jersey number 2. First team foul.
Salong. Okay.
2-4-2 from jersey number 20. Santillan. Morales. Lepas Santillan. Ten 18, 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Pass is stolen by Santillan. Santillan na jersey number 5. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Santillan jersey number 20. Shot clock 18 seconds. 15. Santillan. Nakalusot. Goes over. Pass to number 1. Mahuli at Marilagos. Mahusay, Bates. Mahusay. Using the pass. Okay. Rebound by jersey number 2. Number 3. Mahuli at Marilagos. Naka number jersey number 1. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Kalalapaw. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Number 12, Donguines fires for 2 points. 12-18. Jersey number 2. Pass to Balugal, jersey number 8. Balugal kagaya jersey number 2. Number 2, Morales. Kinaboy! Wala! Ibang Donguines. Donguines sa Santillan. Jersey number 20. Goes down. Pass to Piñapel. Piñapel. Nag-fake Piñapel. Uli again! Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Jersey number 12. Donguines fakes. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 24. De La Cruz first personal foul. Second team foul for Team Dad. First try from jersey number 12. Basket. Second try, 2-4-2 from jersey number 12. 2 minutes, 49 seconds remaining. Asir. Shot clock 19 seconds. Tabilon to jersey number 2, Morales. To Tabilon, step back, inatagay Morales. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, inatagay De La Cruz. Number 24, 2 points. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Shot clock 15 seconds. 10. What a pass from Santillan to Piñapel, jersey number 5 for 2 points. Another steal. Jersey number 3 to Santillan, 2 minutes. Jersey number 20, Hule! Morales, 2 points. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining, 22-16 in favor of Tiber. Piñapel fires short, rebound by Donguines, 2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. A traveling violation. Timeout! Team Barry. Score. DJBR 18. Team Barry 22. Remaining time is 1 minute and 31 seconds. One minute and 31 seconds. 18:22.
Boss, kita nung video gapon, i-post mo na. I-cap sinan ko. Ikaw ako lang.
Luguines! Rebound goes to jersey number 8, Malugal. Malugal, pass, straight pass to Morales. Nakuha ng Luguines. Nalagay jersey number 1, Mahusay. Mahusay, Imbuto. To Santillan again. Jersey number 20. Shot clock 14 seconds. Santillan. Shot clock 10 seconds. 8. 3 seconds violation on Team JBR. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Jersey number 17, pass to jersey number 8, Malugal. Behind the back, Malugal. 1 minute to Bornales for 3 points. 25-18 in 49 seconds. Mahusay to Duguines. Shaded area, 2 points. 35 seconds. Malugal to jersey number 17. 30 seconds. Jersey number 3 to Duguines. Duguines, pilihan ng Kuriel. 2 points. 16 seconds out of bounds. Score JBR 22, Team Barry 25. 14 seconds remaining. 10. Steal by Malugal. Pass right pass to De La Cruz, number 17, 5 seconds. De La Cruz hands, no good. Rebound De La Cruz. That's the end of our second set. Our score, JBR 22, Barry 25. Third set.
Yaw ko din. Yaw. Victoria sa Victoria sa Diakon.
First set, second quarter.
Larga.
First set, second quarter.
Start of our third set. Steal! Shot clock is 20 seconds. Here's number 0. Mena pulls up, no good. Rebound jersey number 6. Too strong ang pasa.
Minutes ang 16 na. 18 minutes. Itong sa barek.
Steal.
Zero, dilok.
Arvin.
Argil.
Argil yun.
4 minutes and 35 seconds. Steal. 8 seconds violation. 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining.
Yan.
Can shoot. 8. Jimenez. Labaw.
Ano, Argil. Argil Rio.
Argil yun.
A-R-G-U-I.
4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Number 23, Jimena fires. No good. Alaka. Jump ball. Bulasan T-Berry.
Soldier ka dyan.
Extra rise. 4 minutes and 11 seconds.
Ito lang rad ko.
4 minutes and 11 seconds. 3-point lead by T-Berry.
Wala mga nakasabi ako.
Nagtalit.
Foul on jersey number 11. Hermano, first personal foul, jersey number 11. First team foul. Carbulia. Shot clock 14 seconds, jersey number 6. 12, 10, 4 minutes. Pass to Malugal. Abang Malugal. Good shot. Malugal steal. Gonzaga. Pass right pass to Arteza. Arteza for 2 points. Jersey number 1, Hugo.
Score 24-25 in favor of Team Bari.
3 minutes and 40 seconds. De La Cruz fakes. My foul. Foul on jersey number 0. First personal foul. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Specialty rebound goes to ball possession goes to T-Berry. 24, 26. 12 to shoot. Harmonia na buyan. 10 to shoot. 5. 1 seconds to shoot. 1. Shut up, violation.
Wala pa. Wala pa rebound dyan.
Shot clock violation. 24-26.
Bakit hindi ko na before the basket?
Arteza. Papakita pa sa ulo. Number 18, Jimenez for 2 points. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Hermano, to jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 1.
Nakapicture naman.
Number 1, pass to Hermano. Hermano. Pinalapitan, wala. Mamaya, surprise. Pass, break pass. Jimenez. Jimenez, stop. And pop, Iwe. Pinapatalugan. Fade away. My foul. Foul committed by jersey number 0. Second personal foul. Third team foul for Team JPR. 2 minutes, 44 seconds.
29-24. Dako mo ka na. Okay?
2 for 2 from jersey number 8, Balugan. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Jersey number 13, Stop and Bob Kiwin on rebound number 11. Number 11 to number 13 again, second try. Rebound! Kapanina Agasa! No good. Kapanina number 0, 2 points. 26-30. Balugan fires. Too strong. Here's number 23 back. Wala, tinalubog natin. Baka number 11. Number 11. To number 0. Number 0. Nagtiyok. Baka number 1. Baka tigay. 2 minutes. De La Cruz. Nakalusok. Out of bounds. Bulas ng Team JBR. 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining.
Wala maulay mo.
Gonzaga. Jersey number 13, pass to number 0, number 0. 1 minute, 43 seconds. Jersey number 6. Open here. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Pass to number 18, number 18. Pass to Baluga, corner 3 points. Jersey number 8, Baluga. Another steal. Number 6. Ooh, no good. You know, out of bounds. Bulas ng Team JBR. 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining. 26-33 in favor of Team Barry. Gonzaga. Pass to jersey number 23. Jimena, free throw jumper, 2 points. One minute. Traveling violation. 57 segundos. Team JBR 28. Team Barry 33. 57 segundos. And top court violation. 55 seconds.
Back court na sa odds. Alin na sa front court. Alin sa front court.
De La Cruz. Lasot. No good. Beat out by Porter. No good. 49 seconds. Number 0, Jimena. To jersey number 1. Wala. Put back by number 0 for 2 points. Jimena, jersey number 0 for 2 points. 35 seconds. Steal by Gonzaga. To jersey number 0, Jimena. Jimena, bumangga. No good. Rebound by Jimena. Nakuha ni Hermano. Hermano on the board. No good. Nakuha ni number 6. Kaso nila. 19 seconds remaining. 19 seconds. Shot clock 14. Hule. Pass break pass to jersey number 18. Jimenez. No good. Put back by jersey number 8. Baluga. 8 seconds. 5. Jersey number 1. Arkansas. That's the end of our third set. Our score: Team JBR 32, Team Barry 35. The first set, Babette.
Ayaw sa yan.
Red check kita mo tol. Red check. So, ito mo.
Sino mag-aog libre sa kayo sa Vikings ha?
Nagumig eh.
We started our first set of our second quarter.
Second set, second quarter.
second set.
Mas nabalik first 5 lang, ano? Walang...
Jersey number 6, teardrop, no good. Nakakaw ni Rosales. Rosales behind the back. Pass to jersey number 1, number 6, number 6. Ooh, up and under.
Ulo.
A foul on jersey number 16.
Third.
Jimenez, first personal foul. First team foul.
Surge Teniente Abanales.
First try, no good. Lee Cherokee from jersey number 6. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 17, Rosales for 3 points. 35 all. 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 7, Bogdanovic. No good. The rebound, jersey number 16. Jimenez. Behind the back. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 8 to shoot. 5. Number 7. No good. Ilagapon. Paspago. Jersey number 29 for 2 points. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Another steal. Lee-Boy. Limbo. Sa nag-iyas ang motor sa mga lagyan, liyong kami pagwa.
Sa likod, di kasal niyo.
Sa likod, isa. Foul.
May sidecar na, tuloy mo.
Ang may sidecar ng motor. Foul, jersey number 28.
Hindi na magsaka.
Ivan, personal foul. First team foul.
Basket. Second throw. Basket.
2 for 2 from jersey number 7. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Jersey number 6. Abanales. To Lubaton for 2 points. Jersey number 30. 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Español. Tocapides, 2 points. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Abanales. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 29. Español. First personal foul. Second team foul for Team Better. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Rebound, jersey number 16, Jimenez. Jimenez, alas mo. Jimenez, nabuyan. Nakuha ni Rosales. Rosales, nakuha ni number 13, out of bounds. 3 minutes. There's number 3, Lubaton. Moves over. Lubaton slow down. No good. Rebound by number 10. 2 points.
Season.
Season. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Español to Lee-Boy. Out of bounds. 39-41 in favor of Dewberry. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Gonzalez to jersey number 30, Lubaton, finds number 28, Agalong, number 28 to number 10, 2 points. What a play coming from JDR. 41 all out of the score, 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining, Pasbanyo. Set up 14 seconds. What a pass to Capiles. 2 points from jersey number 13, Capiles. Gonzalez. Pass to number 30, Lubaton against Capiles. Lubaton, no good. Jersey number 7, steal, out of bounds. 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining. One minute and 56 seconds remaining. Out of bounds, shot clock 19 seconds. 19 to shoot. Bosbanyo. Shot clock 15. Jimenez. Pass to Bosbanyo. Bosbanyo. Pass to pass is intercepted. Abadales! Wala. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Pass to Banyo. 2 points. Rosales, 2 points. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Shot clock 15. 12. Jimenez. Hands to Likoy. Likoy for the left. Hooting! Right on. Foul. Wow, committed by jersey number 7. First personal foul on jersey number 7. The third team foul for Team Barry. 1 minute. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining. Rosales against Jimenez. Rosales halusok. Rosales finds Lubaton again. No good. Lubaton. The one number 28 for 2 points.
Deadlock.
50 seconds. Pasbanyo goes over. Nabuyan. Nakali Lubaton. To Abadales. Abadales. Number 10. Makes it up. 2 points. 47-45. Avansin ang JDR. Pasbanyo. Jersey number 16, Jimenez. What a pass from Jimenez to Capiles for 2 points. 47 all, 20 seconds. Number 28. Nakalusok, number 2. Up and under! No good. Yung galing pa. May foul. A foul on jersey number 28. Second personal foul on Dipalan. Second team foul for Team JDR. 12 seconds remaining. 47 all. Deuces, segundos. 10. Huli Abadales. Abadales and 2 points. 3. That's the end of our first half.
First half.
Our score, Team JDR 49, Team Barry 47. In 83 of our 15 under category championship game of our Mayor's Cup 2025 here at Municipality of Managua.
Third quarter, first set.
Our halftime score, Team JDR 49, Team Barry 47.
Tapos may kakonsang game sa may awak din yung kami yung skak balik amin
After this game, we'll be having the awarding of Mayor's Cup 2025 Volleyball Cup for men and women. Rebound sa ganyan. Passengers number 12, huli by De La Cruz, De La Cruz, De La Cruz. De La Cruz to number 5, Tabilon, no good. Iwan by Santillan. Jersey number 20, Santillan. Santillan, slows down, ginalagay number 5, Peñabel, Peñabel, ginalagay number 3, Bao, Bao. Fade away, by number 17, my Bao. Bao on jersey number 3. Bao, first personal foul. First foul. Jersey number 2, Morales. To number 17, De La Cruz makes the pass. Number 17, to jersey number 5, Pay. Number 5, ginagawa number 2, Morales. Nakaboy sa 3. Back for 3 points. 4 minutes and 8 seconds, mahusay. Mahusay, nagkilawlay, nagawa, nagkilawlay, nagkilawlay, 10 to shoot. Peñabel, Santillan, 8 to shoot. Santillan, Tudongines for 3 points. 51-50. Baluga, too strong, out of bounds. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Here's number 20, Santillan. Shot clock 15 seconds. Pass to number 3, Bao Tudongines for 2 points again. 53. Steal, Morales, De La Cruz, makes the pass to De La Cruz, De La Cruz, hands, no good. Rebound, foul. Foul committed by jersey number 3. Second personal foul, jersey number 3. Second team foul.
Basket.
Rebound, jersey number 3, foul. Passes jersey number 1. Number 1. Impasse out pili sa ilang alam. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. De La Cruz, jersey number 17, pass to Balugal. Balugal to jersey number 5, Tabilon. Tabilon to De La Cruz. Tabuyan. Nakuha kay De La Cruz. Jersey number 4, Morales. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Mahusay. To Tudongines. Jersey number 12, Tudongines. And score. Rebound by De La Cruz. Out of bounds. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Morales. Twelve to shoot. Jersey number 8, Balugal. 10 to shoot. Balugal, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Number 20, Santillan. Impasse, haluan na muli sila talaga. 53-51. 2 minutes, 19 seconds. De La Cruz. Jersey number 17, pass to Morales. Morales to De La Cruz. Pass to Balugal. Wala Kao. Good. Iba may Kao. Pass break pass to Santillan. Santillan. Hands. Score. Iba may De La Cruz. Jersey number 24. Pass to De La Cruz. Jersey number 17. Number 17. You step. No good. Oh. Ano yung sasawa? 1 minute 52 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Santillan, jersey number 20. Pass to Peñabel. No good. Iba by jersey number 24. number 24. At again, jersey number 8, Malugay. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Fast break, fast break. Lapaw. 1 minute, 29 seconds remaining. Santillán. Pass to Binibel. Pass to Santillán. Santillán plays for me to shoot. Santillán huli. Nakaidong Ines. Back to Ines. Basket counts. Foul committed by jersey number 24. De La Cruz. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Okay, bye.
Jersey number 12, Gonquines completes the three-point play. 1 minute, 16 seconds. Malugay. Pass to Tabinon. Fading away. Lapaw. Nakuha ni Gonquines. Gonquines. Pass break. Pass to Peñabel. Peñabel. Napayo ang Isura. Nakuha ni number 17. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to Tabinon. Nalaluyog. Good shot. Nakuha ni Gonquines. Pass to Peñabel. Peñabel. Nagputo. Rebound by Morales. 49 seconds to De La Cruz. De La Cruz over. Napuyan. Nakuha ni number 5, Peñabel. Peñabel. Ulat na binig na sapatos. Nagkarabin. 49 seconds. Morales fires. No good. Nakakitao. Kailan nasaksapasan. 30 seconds. Tao ng Dion. Tinatag ni Peñabel. Peñabel. Nag-Dion. Nakakaw. Pass break. Pass to De La Cruz. Number 17. There's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 3, Bajo. Jersey number 3, that is your third personal foul. Third team foul on Team JBR.
Cinderella,
19 seconds. Another steal. Tabion, nakabuhay. Hindi pa. Pasantilian to Gonquines. 10 seconds. 2 points. 5 seconds. 3. That's the end of our second set for our second half. Score Team JBR.
Last set na.
Sunod lang ah.
Score 58-52. Our score is 58-52. After this game, may awarding kita sa ating volleyball cup of our Mayors Cup 2025 for women and men's category. Out of bounds. Capulilla. Nalagay jersey number 18. Number 18, Jimenez. Whoa! Pocket breaker. Six, Capulilla. Pinakaluwa ng number 18, Jimenez. Jimenez, second shot. What a pass from Jimenez. To De La Cruz, jersey number 0 for 2 points. Another steal. De La Cruz, goes over. Napuyan. De La Cruz. Sabaw, out of bounds. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Number 11, pass to Gonzaga. To number 11, to Gonzaga. To number 23, Jimenez. Jimenez. Foul. Foul on jersey number 15. Number 6. First personal foul, first team foul.
Score 58-54, 58-54 abanse apat ang Team JBR. Third quarter.
Wala.
Wala.
Kasi pwede mo na mag-good. Pwede ka na mag-nakakot.
And then no good, rebound, pull back against everyone, no good. Whatever. Work is in 15 seconds. That's his rise. Pass to De La Cruz, wanna pass, my bow. That's it. Basket counts, foul on jersey number 11. Hermano, that is your second personal foul. First team foul. 57-58, Jimena. Alusot to Gonzaga. Slows down, no good. Rebound by Baluga, jersey number 8. Baluga, behind the back. Baluga to number 10. Pasa ka. Carbonilla. Shot clock 15 seconds. Jersey number 6 na Alusot. No good. Pull back, no good. Napani number 11, Hermano. Kalma, 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Hermano, signaling the boy to Gonzaga, nag-boy! No good! Rebound by number 10, pass to number 8, number 18. 2 points! Timeout! Taken by DJBR. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Our score 59-58 in favor of Team Barry.
Score 58-59 in favor of Team Barry. 1 point ang abanse.
Tres minutos, 24 segundos. Number 13, foul, committed by jersey number 18, Evans. First personal foul on jersey number 18, second team foul on Team Barry. 58-59, 1 point lead, enjoyed by Team Barry. 3 minutes and 21 seconds, Jimena. Bumalik, may foul on jersey number 18. Second personal foul on jersey number 18, and third team foul on Team Barry. Shot clock 19 seconds, Hermano. To Gonzaga. To Hermano. No good. Rebound on jersey number 23. What a pick! Huli by jersey number 10. Stolen by jersey number 1. Number 1, pass to Hermano. Agaw number 18. Agaw ni Gonzaga. Yung pasaluan. Carbonilla to number 8. Baluga. Iwalay! Jersey number 1, Gonzaga. Pass number 23 to Gonzaga. To Hermano. Shot clock 15 seconds. Hermano. To number 0. No good. What a rebound.
Burger.
2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Foul on jersey number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Number 18, Menes. Balik si Guak. Number 6. Grabe na dalawa. Foul on jersey number
Burger.
1.
Burger ka sa akin.
Arqueza. First personal foul. Third team foul. Rebound jersey number 23.
Yugo kami, di pa na yan ang yugo. May duwa ka pa mas lumis.
Kapag hermano! Okay. Foul on jersey number 6. Second personal foul. 4. Team foul. 2 minutes, 3 seconds.
Ilang mo awin? Ilang yan.
Kanya por video kan? Apa yang por video? Channel itu.
Lee Charity from jersey number 1. 59 all. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining. Number 18, Menes, no good. Rebound jersey number 0. Jimena, pass to number 13, 2 points. 61-59, 1 minute and 38 seconds. Jersey number 8, Balugay. 15 to shoot, Jimenez. 14. Balugay fires. Short. Nakuha ni number 10, Parker. Good job, jersey number 10, 2 points. Another steal. De La Cruz. Nakuha ni Balugay for 2 points. Grabe. 24! Jelly layup from jersey number 23, 2 points.
24 man.
Number 18, pass to Baluga. To number 10, pumul ng 3. Short, pass na kalito. 50 seconds. Huli by jersey number 1. Pass break pass. Wala ang tao. Jersey number 13, Gonzaga for 2 points. 65-63. Balik ang pase sa TJBR. Dua. Jimenez. Ginamit kay De La Cruz. Euro step. No good. Nakanin. Pagulia. No good. 20 seconds. Come to shoot. To Balugay. Fake. 8 to shoot. Balugay. Leading shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 0. 10 seconds. 8. 5. Basket downs from jersey number 0 for 2 points. Jimena. That's the end of our third quarter.
Kaya Balanay, fourth quarter.
Our score, Team JBR 67, Team Barry 63.
Dito Balan, fourth quarter.
Game 3 of our 15 under category championship game. Who will prevail?
Next game sa open ha.
Can Team JBR defend the ground? Or it will be Team Barry? Okay, starting our fourth and final quarter.
Boss, una itong mic na boss. Parang kaya walang minaritis na daw.
Number 29 to number 17, no good. Out of bounds. Shot clock 14 seconds for Team Barry. 14 to shoot. Number 24, De La Cruz. Okay, pass to number 16, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 17, De La Cruz, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz, out of bounds. Bulas Team Barry. Shot clock 12 seconds. Paspaño, fire, short, rebound by number 12. Pass to Bao, pass to number 12. Pass to Abanales. Abanales goes down. Rosales, back to Abanales. Abanales hesitates. Shot clock 12 seconds. 2 points from jersey number 6, Abanales. 9 minutes, 18 seconds. De La Cruz, pass to out of bounds. Abanales brings the ball down. Abanales to number 30, no good. Rebound Abanales again. No good, Jabbar. Rebound by De La Cruz. Foul. Foul on jersey number 12. Donguina's first personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock 15 seconds. Basbano against Abanales. 10 to shoot. De La Cruz fakes to Basbano. What a play from Basbano. 12 to shoot. Jimenez. 10. Jimenez fires. Wala. Rebound by Abanales. 8 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Abanales. Shot clock 15 seconds. Substitution. Shot clock 14 seconds. Abanales. Shot clock 10. Abanales with a spin and a pass. 2 points from jersey number 30, Lubaton. $71-63. Basbano nakalusot. Basbano, pinatag number 17, 12 to shoot. De La Cruz to Basbano. 5 to shoot. 3. No good. Rebound. Number 13, Jimenez, no good. Aqua number 29, Basbano, fade away, no good. Rebound number 12, Donguina. Pass to Abanales. Abanales! No good. Jersey number 6, fires. No good. Oh, Lubaton, pinatagay Rosales. No good, Lubaton. Jersey number 29 for the rebound. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, pass to number 16, Jimenez. Jimenez fires. Wala Japon. Rebound Donguina. Napani Jimenez. Pinatagay number 10 to shoot. Basbano. No good. Rebound Rosales. Rosales agaw. Carbunca. Shot clock 18 seconds. Jimenez. Takes. Fires. No good. Out of bounds. Substitution. 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 6 minutos, 50 segundos. Shot clock 12. 10. 8. De La Cruz to Mabilis. 5. Foul! A foul on jersey number 17, Rosales. First personal foul, second team foul. $64-71. Substitution. 65-71, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Lubaton, no good. Rebound jersey number 1 out of Casa. Pass to Bao, pull up, no good. Rebound by Arqueza, nagiro, no good. Rebound by Bao, nagiro. Shot clock 10, Bao, ipasa kay Rosales, nag-fake, 8 to shoot. Rosales, pull up, 2 points. seconds remaining. Number 16 out of bounds. Substitution. 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Substitution. Pass break pass to Abanales. Abanales, behind the back. Abanales, gusto over with Benitez. Fires! No good. Rebound by Arqueza. Arqueza, nag-break. Arqueza, ignorado. My foul. Foul on jersey number 6. Third personal foul on jersey number 6. First team foul.
Ay, mayapon.
May duwa ka pa, boss.
5 minutes and 53 seconds. Out of bounds. Remaining timeout for Team JBR 1. Remaining timeout for Team Barry 3. Mabuyan. Pass to Rosales. Shot clock 18 seconds. Rosales. Shot clock 15. Rosales. Nakuha ni Jimena. Jimena to Rosales. A foul called on jersey number 6. 4 personal foul, jersey number 6. Second team foul.
Duwa. Wala pa. First.
First try from jersey number 17, Rosales. Yogi. Timeout taken by Team Barry. Remaining time is 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 5 minutos, 50 segundos. Our score, Team JBR 74, Team Barry 65. Both teams may nagawa ka timeout. And both teams may nagawa ka timeout. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. A 9-point lead enjoyed by Team JBR. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Desvando finds Jimenez. No good. Rebound goes to last touch by jersey number 0. Shot clock 11 seconds. 11 to shoot. Jersey number 29, Masfano, pass to Jimenez. Jimenez nag-bake. My foul. A foul committed by jersey number 1. Substitution. Arqueza, second personal foul. Second team foul. First draw from jersey number 16, Jimenez. No good. Rebound. We'll back on Team Barry, number 16, pulled up, no good. Tagtukay, number 2, naagaw. Another pass, may pass on Donquines. Number 18, pass to number 16, Jimenez. Jimenez, Sabuyan, Jimenez, pass to number 7, number 7, pass to Jimenez. Jimenez fires, wala, Japon. On jersey number 6, Abanales. Abanales makes the pass. Rosales fading, no good. Rebound Donquines, 2 points. 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. 76-65. And now, rebound sa Kilian, pass break, pass to Abanales. Abanales fires, huli. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Number 18. Nakalusot, Jimenez. Tinatagay, Mudulik. Number 7. Number 16, pass to number 13, Gaviles. 2 points. 76-67. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Dunguines, pass to number 0, no good. Now on number 16. Jimenez. Aguian. A steal from Abanales. And an easy 2 points for Rosales. 2 points.
Dua-dua pa.
Jimenez. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Basbanyo fakes. Basbanyo. He got a pass. No good. Rebound. Number 20. Nago ni Jimenez. 2 points.
No shot. This is size, no?
Timeout. Team JDR. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Score. Team JDR 78. Team Larry 69. Remaining time out for Team JDR, isa na lang. For Team Larry, may 2 pa. Seven, 8, 69, 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Wow. Pass to jersey number 6. Naano ni Basbanyo. Basbanyo to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to take ang pass. De La Cruz to number 8. Balugal. Short. Iba na Abanales. Abanales ang tributini naman kay Bao. Bao. Gilagan. Yan naman sa Pinday. Capiles. Free throw jumper. No good. Iba na Abanales. Pass break pass to Donguines. Donguines using the glass for 2 points. 80-69, Balugal, no good. Iba pa Donguines. Yatagi Santillan. Santillan, 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 16 seconds. Donguines. By Santillan, 12 to shoot. A steal from Basbanyo. Tinatagay De La Cruz. De La Cruz for the easy 2 points. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Pass break pass to number 30, Lumaton. Nagulaan na, bali number 8, Balugal. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Basbanyo. Igalman. Basbanyo nakaboy. No good. Iba pa itong Donguines. Pass to Abanales. Abanales. 5 po wala. Rebound Basbanyo. Last 2 minutes. Jimenez number 18. Substitution. 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining. 80-71. 80 Team JDR. 71 Team Barry. A 9-point lead. 1 minute and 56 seconds. Shot clock is 15. Jimenez, number 16. Jimenez using the glass. Too strong. Too bad. Foul on jersey number 3. Foul for personal foul. 13 foul. Out of bounds. Substitution. 1 minute and 52 seconds. 1 minute and 51 seconds. Pass to Lubaton, passes number 1. What a pick for number 1 for 2 points. Oh, I guess 1 minute and 40 seconds. Jimenez. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 1, Arqueza. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul on Team JGR.
Karoon lang may ilis ah. Karoon lang may ilis. Patapos na.
First strong, no good. Rebound to Salas. Out of bounds, substitution.
Aray ko, salamat. Bye-bye.
1 minute and 33 seconds. A 10-point lead by Team JBR. Shot clock 15 seconds. Rosales, 12 to shoot. 10, steal! Jimenez. Jimenez, hands, so good, drop one. Rosales, pass to Abanales. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Pass to Gonguines. Shot clock 14 seconds. 12. Gonguines 10. Gonguines pass to Lubaton. Substitution. Time out taken by Team Barry. Remaining time is 59 seconds. Remaining time out for both teams is
Dila cross ko. Hindi na rin sunod ng cross ko minutes. So si Morales, amo yung magpulang hindi ako kasunod. Galing siyang punta.
Saan ka po? Isang nila.
Kasi lahat. Kasi lahat.
shot clock 14 seconds for Team Barry. 84-72. De La Cruz, 12 to shoot. De La Cruz. Huli by Lubaton. Pass to Abanales. 2 points. 45 seconds. Morales, teardrop, no good. Rebound by Rosales. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 2, Morales. Second personal foul, third team foul. Rantay 8 segundos, 38 seconds. Abanales. 35 seconds, steal by Tabelon. Tabelon, Nabuyan, out of bounds, 29 seconds. 29 segundos. 25 seconds. Shot clock 15. 12 to shoot. 15 seconds. 8. Shot clock 5. 10 seconds. Your champion, your back-to-back champion team, JBR. Ano yung ba sa you are the champion. You said. Ay,